The first strategy is setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific. Define your goal clearly. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to run a 5,000 in under 30 minutes. Measurable. Ensure your goal can be tracked. For example, I will track my running distance and time each week. Achievable. Set a realistic goal. I will increase my running distance by 1 kilometer every week. Relevant. Make sure the goal aligns with your interests and needs. Running improves my cardiovascular health. Time-bound. Set a deadline. I will achieve this goal in 3 months. Here are some examples of realistic short-term and long-term fitness goals. Short-term goal. I will work out for 30 minutes, 3 times a week for the next month. Long-term goal. I aim to lose 20 pounds in the next 6 months through regular exercise and a balanced diet. Breaking down larger goals. Breaking down larger goals into manageable steps is crucial. Let's say your goal is to run a marathon in a year. Here's how you can break it down. First month. Focus on building a consistent running habit. Months 2-4. Increase your running distance gradually. Months 5-8. Incorporate interval training and strength workouts. Months 9-12. Practice long runs and tapering before the marathon. The only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. The consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Dwayne Johnson. The difference between the impossible and the possible lies in a person's determination. Tommy Lasorda's success story. Finally, let's hear a success story. Meet John, who transformed their life by setting SMART goals. I started with the simple goal to walk 10,000 steps every day. Gradually, I set new goals, like running a 5,000 and then a half marathon. By keeping my goal specific and measurable, I stayed motivated and saw continuous progress. Today, I'm training for my first full marathon. John E.'s journey shows how effective SMART goals can be in achieving fitness success. Remember, setting SMART goals, breaking them down, and staying motivated are key to fitness success. Start today and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and success stories.